So me and Bravo are going to check out some scenery. All right, Bravo, let's go. Let's go check it out. Yeah. Look at that, Bubbles. Oh, look at that. Would you look at that? Isn't that nice, Bravo? Look at this view, Bubbles. Look at this. That is so nice. So there's a whole bunch of locusts around making some noise. You want to go down a little bit more? All right. Go down here, Bubbles. Bravo. Look at that. Bravo, Max. Come here. Don't go too far out, Bubbles. Ups. Bravo, come on. Ups. Ups. Right there. Stays. 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 I don't want you to fall, Bubs. You're kind of new to this stuff. Look at that. Nice. Bravo. Come here. Come here. You're not used to this kind of stuff. You're not like Striker. Like you to be. Stays. Stays. Stay, Bubbles. Good boy. Stays. 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 Yeah, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Huh, Bubbles? I love you. I love you, Bubbles. It's so nice out here. It's kind of a big drop. Probably climb down there, but not, definitely not with you, Bubs. So they're saying there's like a cave somewhere on this side somewhere. Let's see which way they're talking about. All right, come here. Very nice. A lot to explore out here. I should get the drone out and fly the drone around. I think that's what I should do. So, all right, let's go up. Ups. Striker's got hurt paws, so he's hanging out back at the campsite. Look at the fires from the fire. Someone had a fire out here. Wasn't taking care of it. It got too big. Fire ranger was out here earlier telling us about it. Hups. Good boy. Look at that rock. It's so flat. It's like a really flat surface right there. That's kind of cool. It's a couple of them like all stuck together right here. That's pretty neat. It's pretty neat, pretty neat. Bravo, stay. This is a little steep. All right, ups. Ups. Told you, Bubba. It's steep, huh? It's steep. Luckily, I put my hiking boots on. Should have brought the GoPro instead. Probably would have been a little bit better. I like this wood, these trees. Especially when they're like all brown. You see the brown right there when they're all brown like that? It's pretty nice. Hops. Hop. Which way? Yeah, right way. Good boy, Bubba's. Alright. That's more burnt wood. Alright, let's head back up here. Another fire pit here. It's just like way out here. Nice. Come on, Burble. So we have a pretty big group up there. This is all of us. There's 12 of us. There was 15 yesterday, but 3 of them left yesterday. So it's just us. Got a nice group, huh, Bravo? You'll have people to hang out with. Alright, well, hopefully you guys are having a great weekend again. And hope you enjoy this. This area is like Happy Jack, strawberry, kind of like a border. But it's closer to Happy Jack, Arizona. Alright guys, take care.